Hello everyone, I am Virendra Rajput and you are watching CAD Learning Resources. In this video, we will create this solid model using Creo Parametric 4.0. First, take a new file, you'll give name model 4, uncheck use default template, click OK, MMNS part solid, OK. Go to the view, click on plane tag display, select front plane and click on extrude. Then take circle command, draw one circle here, press middle mouse button, double click and type 60. Again take circle, draw concentric circle, press middle mouse button and double click dimension value, here 30, enter. Press and hold shift key, press and hold middle mouse button and drag the mouse. Take circle, draw one circle here diameter 20. Again take one circle, draw another circle, press middle mouse button and this diameter 42, enter. And this distance between two centers 105, enter. Then take center rectangle, click here and draw one rectangle here, press middle mouse button and this width is 8 and height is 6, enter. And take delete segment from editing and delete these all segments from here. Then press middle mouse button, OK. Then extrude on both sides and thickness 20, enter and tick. Here we'll take shading with edges. Then select front plane, click on extrude. Then take arc, 3-point arc. First point here, second point here and third point here. Press middle mouse button, go to the tangent from constraint and select these two arcs. Again these two arcs, make them tangent. Press middle mouse button, double click on the radius and type 115, enter. You can also draw a similar arc here or you can use another method. Take center and point circle, click here center and draw one circle. Press middle mouse button, go to the tangent, select these two circles, again these two circles, press middle mouse button and here click and make it radius. Your radius is 60, type 60, enter. Now go to the delete segment and delete all these segments. Press middle mouse button. Then take center and end arc, this as a center and draw one arc here. Press middle mouse button, again arc. So here draw one arc here, press middle mouse button, again go to the offset and type here value -8 and select this single, here type -8, enter. Here also 8, okay, close this. Now take delete segment and delete all these segments. Press middle mouse button. Check the segments to be deleted. Again, go to delete segment, delete this and delete this. Okay, click on OK. Now extrude on both sides and thickness is 10. Enter. Now take a round tool and select this as 8 and select these 4 edges. First the second edge, third edge, and one more remaining here, fourth edge, and click on OK. Click on standard orientation. So this is how we have completed this 3D model. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe.